In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get indicator name labels on TradingView. If you've ever loaded a chart with multiple indicators and struggled to tell which line is which, indicator name labels are a simple toggle that makes everything clearer. They place the indicator names right on the scale, so you can instantly identify overlays and separate indicator panes at a glance. Here's how to turn them on quickly and reliably. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You'll see the main interface with a chart area, and on the right, a watch list of symbols. This works the same way whether you're on a free or paid plan. Next, choose a symbol from the list on the right and click it. Any symbol is fine. Pick one you watch frequently so you can save time later. You'll get a quick chart view, but to access the setting we need, it's best to use the full featured charting layout. Click Full Chart. This opens the complete chart workspace with all the tools, panes, and menus. Give it a second to load. Once it does, you're ready to change the label settings. Now move your mouse to the right side of the chart over the price scale area. This is the vertical scale where you see price levels and, for separate indicators, their own scales. Hovering here ensures the menu you open will relate to scale and label options. Right-click with your mouse while you're still over that right side scale. The context menu that appears is context sensitive, meaning it depends on where you click. If you don't see the options we're about to use, try right-clicking a bit closer to the scale edge until the proper menu appears. From that menu, click Labels. This reveals a short list of label toggles so you can control what information appears on the scale. Finally, enable indicators and financial name labels. The moment you turn this on, you'll see small readable labels appear alongside the right side scale, showing the names of your active indicators. For overlays like moving averages or Bollinger Bands, labels will appear on the main price scale. For indicators in their own panes, like RSI or MACD, labels will show on that pane's scale. If you don't see any labels, make sure you actually have indicators added to the chart. That's all there is to it. You can revisit the same menu anytime to turn the labels off, and your chart layout typically remembers this preference. With labels on, it's much easier to manage multiple studies, reduce confusion, and make faster decisions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more readable TradingView setup.